Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lakewood Park, local and long distance movers near me. When moving within Lakewood, Florida, hire an experienced local moving company. They are well equipped to handle the logistics of your move, from packing and loading to transportation and unloading. With their knowledge and experience, local movers ensure your belongings reach your new home safely and on time. By hiring local movers, you can save time, energy, and stress knowing that your move is in capable hands. Will you be leaving the state soon? Lakewood Park long-distance movers are an excellent option if that's the case. Preparing for a cross-state transfer might take a lot of time and effort, so movers in Florida are willing to lend a hand. Despite their initial similarities, local and long-distance movers are not always the same. Transporting products over a long distance presents more dangers and hazards, necessitating more careful logistics and preparation for long-distance movements. This shouldn't be a significant concern because long-distance movers have you covered. When you hire them for your move, they provide choices for warehousing your belongings in a facility monitored by cameras. They provide reasonable prices that can be adjusted to meet your needs and offers insurance coverage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakewood Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.